Today, I want to talk about factorial notation and what it means. So, factorial notation, what does it look like? It means we have some real number n, and then we have an exclamation mark in front of it. Now, what does this actually mean, though? Well, that means that if we take the number n, right, we then multiply it by n minus 1, right? And then we multiply that by n minus 2. And we do this on and on and on forever until our number reaches 1. Right? So let's look at this in practice with an actual number. So let's say we have, let's pick a low number. Let's pick 4. Say we have 4 factorial. Right? What does that mean? Well, we take 4. Right? Then we multiply it. Well, what's 4 minus 1? 3. What's 4 minus 2? 2. Right? What's 4 minus 4 minus 3? You get 1. So that's what this would be. So you do 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 times 1 is 24. Right? So 4 factorial is 24. Now, what does that mean, though? Well, factorial means the amount of ways we can arrange n number of objects, right? So that means there are 24 ways to arrange 4 objects. And by arrange, what I mean by that is, like, if we have, let's say we have 2 objects. Let's say we have a green, and let's say we have a blue, right? Or unless it's not green, let's say we have pink. Try that. You can arrange it like this, where the pink comes before the blue, or you can arrange it like this, right? So that's one way, 2 ways. So 2 factorial is 2, all right? So that means the amount of ways we can arrange an object. Now, an interesting thing is, what is 0 factorial? Well, 0 factorial is equal to, I'll let you think about this for a second, but before I say it, I want you to realize, so 3 factorial, right? Well, that's 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6, right? 2 factorial is equal to 2. 1 factorial equals 1. So what is 0 factorial equal? Now, the answer might surprise you. It's actually 1. Now, my best explanation for why this is if you look at the pattern. So if 4 factorial is actually equal to 5 factorial over 5. Let's check that. So we can say 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 2 is 6, right? And we can discount the 1. We can then, this is equal to what? 120. All right. So this is equal to 120. We divide 120 by 5, right? 120 divided by 5, all right? I'll put that in on my Apple Watch just so you can be sure, all right? 120 divided by 5 is 24. So we can say that this is equal to 24. So 4 factorial equals 24. So then we can say 3 factorial equals 4 factorial over 4. I'm not going to check the answers again. 2 factorial equals 3 factorial over 3. 1 factorial equals 2 factorial over 2. Then 0 factorial equals 1 factorial over 1, right? Then 1 factorial equals 1 over 1, which equals 1, right? So that's my best explanation on why 0 factorial is equal to 1. Now, hopefully that gave you a brief understanding of what a factorial actually means and what it means in the physical world as well as the algebraic world. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.